Welcome to today's review of the StarTech.com 20-pack cable Raceway L connector for CBMCWD3816, the perfect solution for those looking to give their cable management systems a professional, finished look. In this narration, we'll dive into the product's purpose, key features, real-life performance, and comparisons with similar products, along with some useful tips for optimal usage. The StarTech.com cable Raceway L connectors are designed to efficiently join CBMWD3816 raceways together at 90-degree angles, which is essential for organizing complex wiring setups in both professional and home office environments. With an industrial-strength build made from warp-proof ABS, these connectors are not only robust but also UL-approved, meeting the UL 94HB flammability standard for horizontal burn rating. This means you can trust that your cables are securely held in place, while also benefiting from a self-extinguishing property in the event of overheating damage. One of the standout features of this product is its thoughtful design. The 90-degree angle and flat, lateral elbow design ensure that your cable management setup looks neat and functional. The technical specifications include a connector width of 1.49 inches and a height of 0.63 inches, which makes it ideal for a variety of workspace configurations. Additionally, the connectors come in a pack of 20, offering excellent value for those embarking on larger cable management projects. Real-life users appreciate the reliability and ease of installation that these connectors provide. When used in combination with other StarTech.com Raceway accessories like the coupler, end piece, inside elbow, outer elbow, and T-connector, sold separately, users can customize their cable solutions to meet specific needs. Many users have found that these connectors significantly improve the aesthetic appeal of their workspaces while providing a secure and lasting solution for cable organization. However, it is important to note a couple of potential drawbacks. Some users might find that the 20-pack offering is not sufficient for very large projects that require a high volume of connectors, meaning additional purchases may be necessary. Additionally, while the connectors work seamlessly with the CBMWD3816 raceways, compatibility with other systems may require careful evaluation. When comparing this product to similar cable management solutions in the market, the StarTech.com connectors stand out due to their industrial strength, UL approval, and the distinguished advantage of over 30 years of expertise in the IT sector. For those looking to save on time and avoid complications during installation, opting for these connectors is a smart choice. To get the most out of these connectors, ensure you plan your layout in advance. Double-check compatibility with your Raceway system, and use the recommended complementary accessories to achieve a cohesive look. Overall, this product is highly recommended for IT professionals, office administrators, and anyone looking to streamline cable setups in a secure and visually appealing manner. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.